Multifunction exposed sealing AVACS with G-Edge. The installation of the Krantz Multifunction exposed sealing AVACS is quick and easy. Once the product has been delivered and inspected for completeness and external integrity, it's ready to go. When opening the packaging, always ensure that the sails are not damaged. Because Krantz places great importance on safe transport, the packaging consists of an outer cardboard box on a wooden pallet, while inside are specially designed plastic combs that hold and secure the sails at a set distance. The removal of the AVACS sails is carried out by trained personnel. In order to avoid contamination during the process, clean gloves must always be worn. When using transport aids such as elevators or loading on the construction site, care must be taken that neither the sails nor finished surfaces are damaged. The substructure for mounting the AVACS sails is to be measured by means of a laser using properly aligned and tested assembly plans. The AVACS multifunction sails must be adjusted in design and size to the approved sealing plan before being fit into the substructure. The sails are then hooked onto one side of the assembly crossbar and the flexible hoses are connected, all in accordance with the specifications laid out in the approved sealing plan. It is important to check the hoses for proper assembly in accordance with the specifications provided by Krantz. The connection is completed when the sail is raised and hooked completely into the assembly crossbar. Finally, the multifunction AVACS sail is aligned using a laser. As a last step, the sail is secured against being unintentionally lifted out of its assembly crossbar, and a final visual inspection of the completed work takes place. If you have any questions, please email our team at sales@krantz.de at any time. Further information can also be found at krantz.de.